Righto, so we're going to remove this tail light from this Holden Acadia. Very simple like. All we're going to do is remove these two covers here. So I'm just using a pocket knife, but you can use a flathead screwdriver, whatever. Just get under and pop these out. So it's just like that there. Just get underneath, pop those little cover plates off. Seven mil under these bolts here. Once you've got these out, all you do is just pull the light forward. That's pretty easy. Just work at it. And that's pretty much it. Unclip it. Got this little bit of a clip here that you need to lift up. Then you can press the bottom of the clip in. Just take it out. Like that. Easy stuff. And put it back in the same way with the replacement. And for those who are interested, if you're interested to know what type of lights are behind that, because I've just broken the broken cover plastic off, so I can get access to behind there to see what that looks like. And now it looks like to remove this part here, I've got these hex screws to remove, and we can take that out and have a look behind there. Undo those hex bolts. The three of them, and this section here comes out. That's pretty much what you've got. So that's the circuitry there that controls your brake and parker for all those lights there. The biggest letdown is you can't get this plastic off without breaking it to replace it. Because other than that, that's still a good light. If there was a plastic cover I could use to replace that with, I'd have to clean all this up, which, you know, is time consuming, but it's possible. Replace the plastic covering over the top there. So if anybody's looking at replacing a broken light and this part's still good, I would probably search for just if you can get just a clear cover to just replace the top cover with. Had I known that when searching for lights for this car, because they're really hard to find, I would have probably done that and just replaced that side lens there. Instead we've got these here that are wired differently, and that's another video to work out how to make this work with this car. It bolts on right, this is for the other side. It bolts on okay, but it's making that the brake parker instead of the outside park breaker. So we'll have to see what we can do about that. Well, that's pretty much it for this clip, guys, so I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.